I think I just found the most refreshing drink of summer, and obviously you have to try it. First, you just mix together some hot water with sugar, equal parts. That's your simple syrup. 4 cups of fresh watermelon goes into the blender of your choice. It takes just 10 or 20 seconds to blend that all up, puree it. Put a sieve over a measuring cup and pour the mixture in. I like to definitely get all the juicy parts out. Then you just need to save about 1 cup of that for your cocktail. Slice up some cucumbers. You're gonna toss fresh mint and those cucumbers into a glass or a shaker. Add in your simple syrup, 1.5 ounces, and muddle that all together. Add in a cup of watermelon juice, 3 ounces gin, or vodka, whatever your drink of choice is. Fill that all up with ice and give it a nice stir to chill it all down. I add more ice to my serving glasses and then pour this watermelon cucumber mixture on top, garnished with a slice of watermelon and some mint. This is so easy to make, so refreshing, so tasty. Recipe is on Sip, Bite, Go. Delicious. If you're not yet on my Foodie Fridays email, definitely get on it. I'm sharing seasonal recipes like this all summer long. Can't wait till you try it. Delicious.